If you enjoy kayaking, this property is for you. Welcome to the beautiful setting of 78 Cocalico Creek Road. I am Marion with the Marion Rutt team. This charming Atglen Stone Rancher sits on 0.43 acre, overlooking the picturesque Cocalico Creek. The foyer welcomes you into the large living room with new beautiful hardwood floors and a large picture window bringing the outdoors inside. The country kitchen with new countertops, ample built-ins and island opens to the dining area with a large picture window. You will appreciate the first floor laundry and 1/2 bath with a door to the 2-car garage and a door to the backyard. From the foyer, enter the hallway to a large walk-in pantry with built-ins and an updated full bath with tub shower. The master bedroom has new hardwood floors and 2 closets. 2 additional bedrooms with hardwood floors completes the first floor. Enjoy the lower-level family room with stone fireplace and heated floors, plus lots of room for hobbies or homeschooling. Included is a new full bath with shower and linen closet. Thank you for viewing 78 Cocalico Creek Road in Conestoga Valley School District. And call the Marion Rutt team at 717-859-7019, and we will be happy to set up a private showing for you.